Hi everyone, let's see how to fix Microsoft Store not downloading apps in Windows 11. To get started, simply search for Microsoft Store. Right click over it and click on App Settings. From here, perform a reset and repair. And see if this helps resolve the issue or not. In the next method, search for command prompt. Right click over it and run it as administrator. Now type in this command and hit enter to execute it. Now type this second command and hit enter. Now type this third command and hit enter to execute it. Once done, simply close everything and restart your computer and see if this helps resolve the issue or not. In the third method, simply search for Windows PowerShell. Right click over it and run it as administrator. Now copy this first command from the video description. Paste it in the PowerShell window and hit enter. Now this will remove the Microsoft Store from your PC. If you check, you can see the store is not showing. Now to bring it back, simply copy the second command. Paste it in the PowerShell window and hit enter. And that's it, Microsoft Store will be back again. Now simply search for Microsoft Store and open it. Now download any app and you won't face any error further. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.